Hello everyone, we're going to grill some peaches today. So you want to cut the peach in half around the pit, and then it will come twisted off the pit. And then what you can do is remove the inside of the pit by cutting around till it comes out real easy, like so, leaving it clean. And then what you want to do is just put a little olive oil on it, okay? On both here. And then, just for a little added caramelization when it's on the grill, you can sprinkle a little brown sugar on it. And then we're going to take the peaches out to the grill, and we will put it on the grill for about 5 minutes, face down, and then we will take it off and enjoy it with some good Schnucks ice cream.